Hello, my air signs. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love. And I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. This is the air sign reading Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra reading for 1111 portal. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign and take whatever is resonating according to your situations. I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So in this video, in this reading, we are going to see what are the messages, what are the energies which are coming for you, my air signs, on this 1111 portal, okay, which was on 11th of November. So let's see what this portal is bringing for for all my air signs, what the beautiful energies are coming up for you. And let's start your reading. If you have not subscribed yet to the channel, then please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And you can also let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's start your reading. Please, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me, help me out to deliver the important messages for all air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra for 1111 portal. Give me the important messages which I need to deliver to all air signs for the 1111 portal reading for 2021. What are the messages for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra here? Okay, family, hydrate, soak in a bath. Okay, so the first message for you is that you have to spend some time with family. Family is your home family, your nature, okay, with whom you feel like a family, your soul family, okay, your 3D family, your nature, your animals, your kids, your love, anyone who with whom you feel family. Yes, this is my family. So you have to spend some time with family, especially with nature here, okay. Then there is hydrate yourself. Drink lot of water, because right now you have to hydrate yourself, hydrate your body here. So you have to drink extra liters of water here, okay. Then there is journal. Write down the journal here. Write down whatever you are feeling in a diary, okay. That is very important message here, because this is 9 plus 2 11. So this is important message that you have to write down a journal here. Then there is health checkup. So you have to go for a health checkup. Then there is soak in a bath. So you have to do the bathing here, okay. That will help you out to re-energize your energy basically, okay. That will help you out to recharge your energy. So that's the message I'm receiving here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages. Please give me the messages for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra here. Okay, choosing your path. And the message is you have to choose your path, and all is possible. You just need to open to the spiritual source. There is an opening of the spiritual source. There are answers which you are already have inside of your soul. You just need to choose your path, that which direction you want to go, okay. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see more messages. Please give me the messages for Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra for 1111 portal. Please give me the messages for air signs. What are the messages for Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra? What are the messages for Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra? Lot of message. Please give me the messages. All is possible. You just need to select your directions, choose your path, that which direction you want to go. Okay, there is below spirit, be more flexible. Flexibility is required here. Then there is ancient oak spirit. There is more, there is strength here. Okay, so keep your strength and move in a forward direction here. So that's the message I'm receiving here for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see more message from the Quantum Oracle deck for Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Please give me the message. Wow. So maybe right now you were in a cycle of decrease because you were having the energy of fear. Okay, you were having the fear energy. That's why the things were decreasing in your life. But do not worry at all. There is a new cycle which is coming in this 11/11 portal, and that is new beginnings. New beginnings are coming up for you. Can you see? This is 4 and 5 number here, and this is 1 again. So definitely there are new beginnings which are coming up for you. So this is very powerful message. Thank you. Just open up to receive. Okay, welcome new beginnings. There is change which is coming up for you. Okay, there is a change. Please give me message for Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. Any other message? No. Okay, so there is definitely change, new beginnings which are coming up for you. Just open up to receive. Okay, just open up to receive. That is the message again I'm receiving here for you. Okay, let's see more message from the Wisdom of Oracle. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra? Please give me the messages for Gemini, Aquarius and Libra. Come to the edge, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction, because there is new beginnings, there is a change which is coming up for you. But for that you have to come to the edge, you have to keep your strength, you have to choose your path. Okay, that's the message I'm receiving here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the animal spirits. Maybe you can see lot of eagles, owl. Okay, just follow your intuitions here. Spider spirit, make your dreams real. Again number 56, that is 11. This is important message. You have to make your dreams real by choosing your path. You have to make a decision, choose your path. Okay, lot of purple energy is also here, so your crown chakra is also getting open up. Okay, trust in the unknown, make your dreams real, follow your intuitions. Okay, let's see more messages. Please give me the messages for air signs. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, Libra? Be brave and honest. Knight is the message here. You need to be brave and honest with yourself, that what you want in your life. For that you have to be open up, and you have to be open up, and you have to choose that what is your path. Okay, things are coming up for you. So let's see more message from Moonology deck. What are the messages for air signs? Nothing is yet in stone. Show the world real you, and the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini, full moon in Aquarius, and I'm doing the air signs reading. Okay, then there is, wow, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. So for Aquarius, you need to see the show the world real you. Okay, full moon in Aquarius, nothing is yet in stone. You have to show the real you, and the answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Okay, and for Libra, a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. All air signs are here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Okay, so let me add one message from the Whispers of Love. Please give me one message for air signs. Please give me one message for air signs. Wow. There is a spiritual connection which you are dealing with. Okay, a relationship has a connection that goes beyond this lifetime. You are dealing with someone with whom you have spent many past lives together here. Okay, Gemini, Aquarius and Libra, there is someone with whom you have spent many past lives together. Okay, that means this can be your soul mate, this can be your twin flame. Okay, there is a spiritual connection with whom you are dealing with. Okay, now let's see more about this. Okay, I have to make some space here. Okay, and the second message is practice compassion. See things from a fresh perspective. See the picture from a different perspective, from a higher perspectives here. So these are the two messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the numerology deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra here? What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay. Relationship change, pride and timeout. 10, 10 and 11. You can see lot of number synchronicities of 10, 10. And there is a relationship change, timeout and pride. So you have to spend some time here out. Timeout means you have to take a break from your routine. 11:44 is a recording reading time. And there is a relationship change which is coming up for you. Okay, and do not worry at all. Just open up yourself to the beautiful new beginnings which are coming up for you. Let's see messages from the energy oracle deck. Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius, Gemini and Libra? Second chakra, Archangel Ariel, the Sun, the Thinking Man, beautiful. Okay. Wow. First of all, if you have to make some kind of decision here, okay, make a decision, but you are unable to make a decisions right now. Okay, again 8, maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 8, but you are going to take the action in a forward direction here. Now you know what is white and what is black, what is right and what is wrong for you. And there is a new chapter which is going to start in your life. Okay, a new beginning, a new chapter, a new maybe some of you are going to travel somewhere, but there is a new beginning which is going to start here. And this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. The Sun is coming up for you. This is new happy beginnings, new beginnings which are coming up for you. There are two activations which are happening for you, the first chakra and your second chakra. The solar the scale chakra and the root chakra is getting activated. Okay, so Archangel Michael and Archangel Ariel is with you. Okay, so your root chakra and your scale chakra is getting activated in this 11:11 portal. Then there is the Thinking Man. Someone is thinking about you. Maybe they are having thoughts about you, how to approach you, how to talk to you here. Okay, so they are thinking about you here. And this is very beautiful. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 11:22, 11:22, and this is the 11:11 portal energy for you. This is the cornucopia. This is the abundance and prosperity of everything. Okay, this is very beautiful. The good luck is on your side. There are new beginnings which are coming up for you. Some of you are definitely dealing with the twin flames. Okay, and the yin yang card is here. So another meaning for you is that there is a balance between your masculine and feminine energy. There is a union of your inner masculine and inner feminine which is coming up in this portal. So this is beautiful. Let's see more messages from the Witch's Wisdom. Please give me one message for air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra What is one message you want me to deliver? Grounding and intensification. Okay. This says what you have been waiting for comes in fruition during the summer months. Okay, shine brightly. Do not give away your personal powers. Move forward fearlessly. Call on the strength of the sun gods to break through. So keep your strength. That's why the message was that there is a strength which is coming up to move in a forward direction here. And the second message which I'm receiving here for you is earth. You have to ground yourself. Okay, the grounding is required here. So connection with the element of earth is required to bring substance to your spell work. Spend some time outside barefoot and getting your hands dirty. Take up gardening, hug or sit beneath a favorite tree. Engage a project that requires solid groundwork. So you have to spend some time in mother nature. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here. See, the same message was here, that you have to spend some time with mother nature here. So spend some time with mother nature. Okay, so thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from the Lemora. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Please give me the message. Awaken awareness. Now you are having awaken awareness. Your third eye is getting activated. You are spiritually awake and you know what is the meaning of being awakened. Okay, you have the awakeness inside of you. So just follow that thing. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the angels and ancestors. Stargazers, set your heights higher. So this is the message I'm receiving. Stargazer. Okay, you have to set up your sights more higher here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see more messages from the angel guides. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Lot of intuitions and downloads are happening. Okay, for you, just follow your intuitions here. Wow, there is a spiritual growth which is coming up in this portal. This portal is bringing you a spiritual growth. Lot of intuitions and downloads are happening in this portal. Your crown chakra, maybe you can feel vibrations and downloads on the crown chakra, on the third eye. Okay, so there is a spiritual growth which is coming up for you. Okay, there is expect miracles. You have to expect miracles and clear cut and release anything which is not serving your highest good. You need to release that energy, let go anything which is not serving your highest good here, and trust that this is the secret plan, this is the divine plan. There is romance and connections. You are dealing with someone with whom you are having a spiritual connection, a connection with whom which either it is a soulmate or it is a twin flame, but this is someone from your past. Okay, not this past, this is someone from your past lives. Okay, you both are having a divine connection. So this is the secret plan, this is the divine plan which is working with you. Okay, so this is the message I'm receiving. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from the Chinese fortune reading cards. What is the message you want me to deliver? Please give me the message. Wow, 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 wow. Why I'm saying that these three cards just fallen out. Your wish fulfillment is going to come true. There is a proposal which is coming up for you, a marriage proposal. Some of you are going to get marriage proposal. Trust, this is the divine plan, this is the secret plan, this is the divine plan. Okay, can you see? This is the secret plan, this is the divine plan. This energy, because 1111 is also about the twin flames. Okay, this is very important portal for the twin flames. So you are going to get the marriage proposal from your twin flames here. Okay, so this is very powerful message here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see more message from the chakra wisdom. Please give me the messages for air signs. Too many. Please give me the message for air signs. Isolation, mysticism. Follow your intuition here. Impasse was there. I'm not going to take it. You will find out. Okay. So maybe right now you have isolated yourself from the world and you are focusing on yourself and you are finding out the balance, but you are working on yourself, and that's beautiful. Because of you are working on yourself, you are finding yourself, you are discovering that who you are and why you are here on the planet earth, what is your soul purpose. And maybe some of you can do the mysticism, the tarot card reading, the healing, the energy work, the chakra balancing. You have that powers and intuition and gifts that you can do. Okay, you're going to receive the balance in this 1111 portal here. So that's the message I'm receiving here. Let me add one message from the whispers of Ganesha. You have the inner knowing that who you are, because you are working on yourself, and that's beautiful. Okay, let me see more messages. Please give me the messages for air signs. One message for air sign. Too many messages. Please give me one message for air signs. No, please give me one message. Okay. The message is throat chakra activation. Be candid. Your thought chakra is getting activated. Now you can communicate and express your truths. Lot of activations are happening for you. Okay, air signs. Now you can express anything which you want to without feeling the fear of judgment or judgment from others. Okay, so be candid. That's the message I'm receiving. So this portal is bringing you the activations of your thought chakra. Let me see one message from the yogic path for air signs. Please give me the message for air signs. What is the message you want me to deliver? Dhumvanti. Dhumvanti is the goddess of destruction and letting go. Anything which you have not let go, she is here to help you out in letting go that thing. Okay, she will help you out in that. Let me read it out from the book also. This is the goddess of disappointment and letting go. You, my darling, have finally realized that all the hardships and struggles you have faced were brought on your path for a very important reasons. They have shaped you to the person you are today. You have put together all the dots of all most difficult points on your journey and realized that it was all necessary to be here now. Dhumvanti has come to remind you to give thanks to the struggles you have faced, because they have made you your highest self. Okay, so they help you out to become your highest self. So this is very powerful message here from this deck. Say thank you to all those struggles. Say thank you to all those people who has helped you out to become your highest self. Celebrations are coming up for you here. Let me see one more message. Wow. Maybe you can see dragonfly around yourselves, and this says have confidence during this time of great joy, renewal and connection to spirit. Okay, so that's the message, and there is definitely a wish fulfillment which is going to come true for you. There is a wish fulfillment which is going to come true for you here, and there is celebrations. You are ready to bring new and exciting things in your life. So a lot of celebrations are coming up for you here. This portal is bringing celebrations, so get ready for the celebrations. Now let me add one message from the Lovers Oracle. Please give me one message for air signs. Please give me one message for air signs. Too many messages. Please give me one message for the air signs. Please give me one message for the air signs. Wow. Definitely you are dealing with a soulmate. Okay, see, your soulmate is coming up here. Your soulmate is already your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this, and they will manifest physically. Okay, and this is manifesting miracles. Your dreams is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow it guidance. So your soulmate is coming up here, and this is very powerful message. You are dealing with someone who is your soulmate, who is your twin flame, who with whom you are having a spiritual connection with. Can you see? This is your spiritual connection, your soulmate. Some of you are dealing with the soulmate. Some of you are dealing with the twin flame, and they are coming here. Okay, they are coming here in this 1111 portal for you. So just open up to receive. You're going to get marriage proposal from them here. Let me add one message. Wow, from the universe, and this is very beautiful message. 1 minute. Okay, so you are being watched by loving eyes, and something the good is hidden from you. Find the good in what they said or asked. It is always there, even if they did not mean for it to be there. Okay, so there is something which is hidden from you here. The good is hidden, and that is coming up for you here in this portal. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add one message from the numerology deck. Please give me one message. Leadership, one more. Rebirth. Bottom of the deck, I'm having completion. Okay, so there is a karmic completion, there is a cycle completion which you are completing here. Okay, and there is a rebirth cycle which is starting, death and rebirth cycle here. And again, this is 9, 9 and 7. So you are definitely, and follow the leadership. The leadership quality is here, so you have to follow your leadership here. So maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 6996. That can also be a possibility here. Thank you for giving the messages. Let's see messages from your guides. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Let go of ego. One more message for air signs. Please give me one more message. And death is an illusion. Okay, so you have to let go of the ego, and death is an illusion. That means nothing can be end. Okay, the end is the beginning of something new. This is the rebirth energy which is coming up for you. Okay, now let me add one message from the gateway of oracles. What is the message you want me to deliver for air signs? Embarking on an adventure, I savor the wonders of the world. Okay, so that's the message I'm receiving here for you. This is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this was your reading. Let me add some message from the tarot also. Okay, let's see what are the tarot messages. Please give me the tarot messages for the air signs Aquarius, Gemini and Libra. What are the messages from the tarot? Please give me the message. Please give me the message. Please give me the message here. 7 of Wands, the Chariot, the 4 of Cups, the 10 of Cups, sorry, the 10 of Pentacles, the Moon, Love, Hierophant, Star, 8 of Wands. There is a communication which is coming up for you. 2 of Cups. Okay, Page of Swords, and this person is keeping an eye on you. They are making a decision, okay, to come towards you, and that's the karmic justice that is going to serve in your case. Okay, maybe you are dealing with an earth sign, fire sign, water sign. All signs are here. Okay, there is someone who is coming towards you. Okay, they are maybe they will receive, you will receive the message from this person here. Okay, this is Hierophant and the Justice and the Star. So this is the karmic justice which is being served in your case. This relationship is bringing you the spiritual growth, the new hopes, new desires here, and you are doing the manifestation of this relationship. The magician is here, and in this 1111 portal, this is the justice which is bringing up. Can you see this is number 11? So the karmic justice is bringing, this portal is bringing you the karmic justice. Okay, this is the communication you are going to receive. Lot of communication is coming towards you from this person's. They will communicate with you. Okay, maybe right now you are not in a mood to accept the offer from this person's, because there is a confusion you are having. 1551 is the recording reading time, but you have to follow your intuitions here. Your guards are up, your seven of wands is here, so you're protecting your energy, your self defensive mode is on, but you are going to move in a forward direction with the chariot. Okay, this is someone who is keeping an eye on you, and you both love. This is a water sign, 2 of cups, and this can be an air sign too, page of swords and king of cups. So they love you a lot, and you both love each other, because 2 of cups is with whom you both love each other. Okay, and this is your love with whom you are going to create abundance of everything. 10 of Pentacles is abundance of everything. Okay, you will come towards the karma waters here. Okay, but do not focus on the past. Okay, do not feel guilt, sorry, remorse, and use your intuitions here. Okay, so that was the message, that was the reading for my air signs. I hope I help you out in some manner, sending you lots of love and healing light and happy energies to all my air signs who are watching my video. Till the time, take care of yourself and see you soon.